Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, this is the 16th part of GRE Vocabulary High Frequency Word. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming videos. So now we'll move on to the words content. Our first word is vapid. Vapid is an adjective and the meaning of this word is lacking liveliness or spirit or interest. That is the lack of interest, feeling boring, unexcited. That's called the vapid. And the synonyms are unexciting, dull, unstimulating. See the example, don't buy whatever this vapid person is selling. That's telling that don't buy whatever this unexciting person is selling. So see the picture, how a girl is sleeping on a class. That's called vapid character. So move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is the article said the film is as vapid and sexiest as the band was. That means the article saying that film is dull, unexciting, boring and sexiest as the band was. So second sentence is even if you think The Bachelor is vapid garbage, millions of people still watch it. That means if you think The Bachelor, that is a series or movie or show, is dull and boring garbage, then the millions of people still watching it. So third sentence is Poppy Noor wonders whether the first lady who spent 5 months designing the White House Christmas decoration is vapid or just private. That means the Poppy Noor wonder whether the first lady who spent the 5 months designing on White House Christmas decoration is unexciting or boring or just private. So we'll move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So these are the 5 more sentences. Pause the video, read the sentence, and I will give the 10-second pause. After that we will go to the next word. So our next word is quell. Quell is a verb and the meaning of this word is to end or stop something like protest or violent behavior, usually by force. So the synonyms are quench, appease. See the example, Trump orders federal forces to quell the Portland protest. That means that Trump ordered federal forces to stop the Portland protest. See the picture, how the army is stopping a man for creating the violent behavior. So move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is local police and Manus resident rushed into the compound to quell the unrest. That means the local police and the Manus residents come together into the gathering to stop the violent behavior that acting there. So second sentence is state violence used to quell the mass protest that erupted in October brought public trust in the government to a new low. That is the state violence used to stop the mass protests that come out in October and brought the public trust in the government to a new low level. So third sentence is these fires are sometimes easier to spot and report quickly and quell before they get too big. She said that these fires are sometimes easy to stop or identify and report it quickly, and also easy to end or stop before they get to the big. So now we'll move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. 10-second pause. After that we'll continue. So our next word is reverie. Reverie is a verb and the meaning of this word is to feel great respect for someone like God or person. So the synonyms are reverence and venerate. Example is many Hindus revere the site as the spot where the Lord Ram was born. That means the many Hindus respect the place where the Lord Ram was born. See the picture, how a lady is worshipping to the god. That means reverie. So move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is She knew he was revered by the people and even the military. That means she knew that he was respected by the people and even the military. Second sentence is the global church patroness of the Americas. She is revered by the Catholic across border. The global church patroness means father who are in church of the Americas. She is respected by the Catholics across the borders. Third sentence is Nina Simone was a revered singer and the civil rights activist known for performing songs such as Feeling Good, I Put a Spell on You, and I Love You, Porgy. So the Nina Simone was a respected singer and civil rights activist and also known for performing songs like Feeling Good, I Put a Spell on You, and I Love You, Porgy. Now we'll move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. Again 10-second pause, then we'll continue for the next word. So our next word is voracious. Voracious is an adjective and the meaning of this word have. So our first meaning is eating or wanting food in large amount, and the second meaning is wanting a lot of new information and knowledge. So these are two meanings of voracious, and the synonyms are glutton, ravenous, and edacious. Example, the football players are voracious eater. That means the football players are eating much more foods. See the picture how a lady is eating food in very large quantity, that called voracious. Move on to the sentences. The first sentence is, at the beginning of pandemic, I was voracious and I was literally reading medical abstract about the original SARS. So at the beginning of the pandemic, that is the coronavirus, I was voracious. That means I need a lot of information and knowledge. This sentence shows the meaning of the second one. And I was literally reading medical abstract about the original SARS. Medical information about the SARS. So second sentence is, on his return to Madrid, the media fell on the safari story like a voracious lion on the fragile gazelle. On the return to the Madrid, the media fell on the safari story like voracious lion, that is the lion who need a lot of amount of food, that a hungry lion on a fragile gazelle. So third sentence is, rapid reproducer and the voracious eater. The snail overpopulated waterways and kill off habitat important to the native fish and other wildlife. So the rapid reproducer and voracious eater, that's the first meaning. The snail overpopulate waterway and kill off the habitat important to the native fish and other wildlife. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. Again 10-second pause, then we'll continue for the next word. So our next word is veracious. See, the previous one is voracious and this one is veracious. Just a difference of E and O. So careful about this word have a different meaning. It is an adjective and the meaning of this word is habitually speaking the truth. That is precisely accurate. So the synonyms are truthful, accurate. See the example, Abraham Lincoln was known as veracious president. That means the Abraham Lincoln was known as truthful president. See the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. He also known as the speaking the truth. That means a veracious person. Now move on to the sentences. Our first sentence is, Christian Brinton says of the art of Gary Melcher that it is explicit and veracious. That means Christian Brinton say for the art of Gary Melcher that it is easy to understand. Explicit means easy to understand, open, and veracious, that is speaking the truth, showing the truth. So our second sentence is, a veracious modern writer described them as tasting like sugared cream and white almond. A veracious modern writer. That means habitually speaking truth. That speaking truth, modern writer. Describe them as tasting like a sugarate cream and white almond. Third sentence is all American made is a soulful and the veracious snapshot of the time we are living in. That means the all American made is a soulful and truthful snapshot of the times we are living in. So we'll move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. Again 10-second pause, then we'll continue. So I hope guys you like this video. If you like this, please hit the like button, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video. And if you have any suggestion, any problem, then you can comment below down so that I will solve it. And if you find it effective, please share this video to the other your friend circles and other groups. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day, and thank you so much for watching our video.